presentation, and collaboration has shown not only to your talent, but also your passion for learning and using the English language with confidence and creativity. Has reminded us that English is more than a subject, it is a bridge that connects us to knowledge, to opportunities, and to one another. Through storytelling, public speaking, reading, and writing, we have strengthened not just our skills, but also our imagination and our courage to express ourselves. To our teachers and organizers, thank you for your guidance, patience, and dedications in making every event successful and meaningful. To all our participants and winners, congratulations for giving your best. And to our students, your energy and enthusiasm are fueling the heart of this celebration. On behalf of the English Department, we extend our outlook gratitude to our generous sponsors for their invaluable support. Her contribution has been instrumental in making Englishman a success. As we end this month-long journey, may we continue our nurture, our love for reading, our curiosity for learning, and our confidence in communicating. Let us carry the lessons of these celebrations into our classrooms and into our daily lives. Again, thank you everyone for your support and participation. This concludes our English Month Communicating Activity. Have a wonderful day. Our electronic loyalty. Here we invite our guest, Mr. Denise Club to join us on stage for the announcement of the major awards. May we also call on the rest of the judges to assist in giving the awards. Major awards, Modern Batkala. Contestant number 1, Carlon Anthony.
Nakarbang pababa na ako.
Nalilawak makalit.
Ano ba yung naging pang kabayan? At hindi kayo pala. Sabi na nagbahay.
Promoted Celestial Garden. Contestant number 3, Angelica Rose B. Lava. Congratulations.
Pero sila yung winner po ito.
May title ng sana, pero may
Sila talaga ako.
Puso. Wala kang kapitan.
Sabi ko yung hair. Kaya ng buraki.
The Modern Vitamin Beauty. Contestant number 2. candidate number 2, Jackie Ugarte.
Wala nakipasok. Wala na,
Wala power bank yan?
Ha?
Wala kang power bank yan?
Ano?
Wala kang power bank?
Wala nga, naka-issue.
Hindi mo yung question.
Ayan. Galing sa atin.
Good afternoon. So this is the most awaited part. Winners per category. Under Supreme Deity of the Modern World. The champion goes to contestant number 1. Lloyd Ente.
Champion.
Ano ba? 7 and 8 sila nag-compete. 8 and 9. Sa question and answer.
Ano yung overall na? Overall? Ah?
9 and 10. Ano ba yan? Champion!
Nakita niyo?
Wala panalo si Rudy. Siya tayo yung champion. Si Rudy. Sabi ni Mama na ba? Sa 7 and 8 siya. 7 and 8 siya panalo. Yung 9 and 10 ewan ko.
And for the Supreme Deity of the Modern World, for grade 9 and 10 category,
9 and 10.
the champion goes to contestant number 1. Amaya Ray.
Sabi niya exempted.
Doon sila mo.
Congratulations again to our finalists. May we request all finalists